What you doing? What? Are you trying to... Saying, Dad, where's the muscles? Where's the muscles? I don't see any muscles, Dad. Where are they? Oh no! My dad's a wimp! Oh, I'm gonna cry! Oh no! That's so sad. Yeah, where's the muscles, Dad? You think, oh, you're a sissy. It's so sad. Oh, I know. Oh no. Oh, oh.
Oh, Gavin.
Tell me. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, really?
Oh.
What else?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yep. Ooh.
Because I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell you. What are you trying to tell us? Hmm?
So, what I'm trying to tell you is, where is the food? I want some food. I need some food. But you're my attitude. It's so sad.
Honey, give it to him.
Oh.
Marty, that's mean.
Oh, there's Mom being a sucker. Being a sucker.